Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account, and realizing you're broke. No emergency fund. No savings. Nothing but stress and regret. Sounds terrifying, right? Now, picture a different life. A life where money is working for you, where unexpected expenses don't shake you, and where you have the freedom to live life on your terms. That life starts with mastering the art of saving. And today, I'm going to show you 10 simple but powerful ways to save money fast. Stick around till the end, because tip number 10 is the ultimate game changer. Most people never do this, but it can save you thousands. Let's dive in. 10 simple tips to save money fast. Tip number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people pay their bills first, then spend what's left, hoping to save at the end. Wrong. The wealthy do it differently. They save first and live on the rest. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment you get paid. Let's be real, if you don't do this, your money will disappear. It always does. Tip number 2. The 24-hour rule for spending. Made an impulse purchase and regretted it later? The 24-hour rule fixes that. Before buying anything non-essential, wait a day. More often than not, you won't even want it anymore. Most things we buy on impulse don't bring lasting happiness, just temporary excitement followed by regret. Save yourself the stress and the money. But what if you could make more money while saving? Tip number 3. The save and earn strategy. What if you could save money and earn rewards at the same time? Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Fetch Rewards give you money back on everyday purchases. It's like free cash. And guess what? Most people are losing money every single day by not doing this. Don't be one of them. Tip number 4. Cut subscription traps. How many subscriptions do you really use? Go through your bank statements, cancel the ones collecting dust, and watch your savings grow. Think about it. Do you really need 7 different streaming services when you only watch one show? Tip number 5. Meal prep like a pro. Eating out is one of the biggest money leaks. Plan meals ahead, cook at home, and save hundreds every month. Plus, it's healthier, so your wallet and your waistline will thank you. But let's talk about the biggest expense that's draining your bank account. Number 6. The power of downsizing is your biggest expense. Downsizing or even house hacking, like renting out a spare room, can free up thousands a year. It's crazy how many people pay for extra space they don't even use. Why? Because society told them, bigger is better. But smarter is better. Tip number 7. Automate your bills to avoid late fees. Late fees are sneaky money wasters. Set up auto pay for bills and credit cards to never miss a payment and protect your credit score. Because let's be real, your hard-earned money belongs in your pocket, not in late fees. Number 8. Buy generic, not brand name. Marketers want you to believe expensive means better. Most generic products are just as good but way cheaper. This one switch alone can save you thousands over time. But what if I told you there's a way to make money just by doing nothing? Number 9. The high-interest savings account trick. Keeping your money in a regular savings account? Big mistake. High-yield savings accounts can grow your money passively. It's the easiest way to make your savings work for you. That brings us to tip number 10. The ultimate strategy to save money fast. Tip number 10. The no-spend challenge, the ultimate reset. If you really want to save money fast, do a no-spend challenge. For 30 days, buy only the essentials. It's tough, but the results? Life-changing. Trust me, this one challenge can rewire how you think about money forever. And just like that, you now have 10 powerful strategies to start saving money fast. The question is, which one will you start with today? Remember, small changes lead to big results. But only if you ACT on them. And if you want to take your money game to the next level, don't miss my next video. It's a game changer for building wealth fast. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that